Alright guys, so this is part 2 of our algebra lessons. So in the last one we were looking at all the different methods of factorizing, so now we're going to be using those to solve algebraic problems. So let's get right into it. I'm going to clear everything. Okay, now we're going to have 3 problems to start out with. I'm just going to write them up here. So we have 3p squared plus 6pq, which is the first one. Then we have the second one, which will be 6ab plus 12bc minus bc minus 8ac minus 9b squared. And then the third one will be 3x squared minus 12y squared. Okay, so let's get right into it. We'll go for the first one. So we want to factorize by common terms in this one. What's the common terms? So we have 3, we have that in 6 as well. So we also have p, and we have one of them with 6, so we can do 3p. So divide 3 by 3 would be 1, so we don't need to write that in. Take away 1p, we'd have p plus 6 divided by 3 would be 2, and then p divided by p would just be 1, so we can leave that. And then we'd have 2q, so that's that one solved. Okay, so now the second one. So we have 6ab plus 12bc. Now this will be factoring by grouping. So what we need to do is we need to move the 9b squared over to the 12b. We'll move the 6ab over to the 8ac. Okay, so we'll have 12bc, because we want to be solving by like terms, squared, plus 6ab minus ac. Okay, now let's see, can we find the like terms? So these would have 3 in common. So we take out 3, and they'd also both have b. So we do 3b. Now they don't both have c, so then we'll leave it like that. We'll have 4c minus 3b, because it's b squared, so it'll be 1b left over. Then we do plus, what do 6 and 8 have in common? Well, that would be 2. So we'd have 2, and they both have a as well. So we can have a. So now 6 divided by 2 would be 3, and then we divide it by a, so we'd have the b left over. Then minus 8 divided by 2 would be minus 4, and then we'd be getting rid of the c, or we'd be getting rid of the a, because a divided by a, and then we just have a c left over, minus 4c. Okay, so we have the same ones here, but we have them different signs, so we just need to flip them around. So we'd have 3b, 4c, because we want these two parts to match up, to be the same, so we can factorize, minus 3b. So if we change the sign on the 2a, we can then do 4c minus 3b. Okay, so we'd have 3b minus 4c and we'd have 3b minus, or this next one, sorry, would be, so we'd have 3b minus 4c, and then we'd have 2a minus 3b. Okay, very good. So now for the next one, which is up here in the corner, we'll bring it down. So 3x squared minus 12y squared, so 3x squared minus 12y squared. You notice the difference of two squares, so this would be, if we factor out a 3, we get x squared minus 4y squared. Okay, so then if we do the difference of two squares on that, that'll be 3x plus 4y x minus, or we get the square root of that, so it'll be plus 2y x minus 2y. Alright, so that's them solved. Good job, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. We'll be doing plenty more practice, so don't worry if you didn't understand these. See, can you go back over them and get the right answers. So we'll look